Hey y'all, this is Anna Alexander, and this is Dish About the Dish, where the foods we eat tell the stories of our lives. And it is fall season, which means pumpkins and cinnamon and spice and whiskey and apples. And besides picking out pumpkins, I'm going to share with you some of my favorite October time treats. So let's go! When I was a kid, a pumpkin patch was just that, a pumpkin patch, maybe with a corn maze. Now they can be their own little amusement parks, complete with hay rides, bouncy houses, and paintball fields. One of my local pumpkin patches also includes a farmer's market where you can get your favorite seasonal fruits and veggies. But my favorite are the snack foods, including kettle corn. It's so delicious, especially when you can smell that sugar wafting over the air. Another favorite of mine is a nice, chewy, gooey, tart and crisp caramel apple. And if I'm feeling really decadent, I will pair it with a warm apple cider, spiked or not occasionally, with your cinnamon fireball whiskey. Try to guess what I have in this glass. My kids' favorite pumpkin patch treat is called the Haystack. Some may call it a Frito pie. Up here, it's the Haystack, and it's super easy to make. Start with your favorite chili recipe. Here, I'm making the Crescent Moon Chili. A link to the video where I made this previously is in the description below. To that, you're gonna get your favorite corn chips. And by corn chips, you know what brand I mean. Ladle a healthy portion of chili on top of a pile of corn chips. Top with cheddar cheese, maybe sour cream if you're in the mood, and there you have it. There is your Haystack. A nice little nacho that's more than a nacho. I would love to know about some of your favorite fall foods. Post them down in the comments below. And until next time, y'all, have a safe Halloween season.